Makirima mbeu njithi ni meyumiririe kiroko kia umuthi icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi kugeria munyaka wao mihang'o-ini ya woyani wa makurutu ma mbiraru. Mihang'o ino igukorwo igitabanirio ceceni-ini 374 kaunti-ini ciothe 47 guku ministry ya urangiri wa bururi ikiranira ati mihang'o ino igukorwo igitwarithio na njira ya uma na waragania.
KDF seeks to recruit qualified Kenyans in 3 broad categories, and these are officer cadets, recruits, and the Defence Forces Constabulary.
Akianirira kwambiriria kwa woyani uyu kiroko kia umuthi munini wa munene wa mbiraru Lieutenant General John Mwangi augite ni mekunyitanira na honge mwanya mwanya cia thirikari niguo kung'ethanira na aria othe mangikorwo na itanya o riothe ria gukungia wara.
Oversight measures have been put in place encompassing use of intelligence operatives, anti-corruption officers, and the media. We request wananchi, in exercise of their patriotic mandate, to volunteer information on any suspicious activities by reporting to the recruiting teams on the ground.
Kaunti-ini ya Nairobi mihang'o ino ni twarithirio na mbere iharo-ini itiganite ari hamwe na kiharo kia Nyayo, Kasarani na Jamuhuri kuri ugitiri ukugacirithitio.
So far we have not witnessed any case of malpractice or corruption. We again insist and remind Kenyans that this recruitment is free to all eligible Kenyans.
No na kuri uguo mihang'o ino ndinaga mateta kuona amwe aria makwiyumiritie guku Nairobi matinoywo ni undu wa gukorwo mandikithitie ifandi ciao kuma icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi riu makiuria onao maheo mweke kuona ni raia a Kenya.
Kaingia hapo ndani tukaambiwa ID yetu airide hapa Nairobi. Sasa ikabidi tutaenda nyumbani ushago.
Ikiwa ni kuchaguana, tafadhali wenye wanachaguana musikuwe mnafukuza watu kwa sababu ya makosa zenye haziyuko. Mimi nasikia uchungu sana juu kuna wenye wako pale na Kenya wako nayo ndio mimi niko nayo.
Tumefika hapa tumeambiwa kama idea isome Nairobi toka nje mbio sana.
I think that's not fair because this is Nairobi, this is a town in metropolitan, so Nairobi should absorb everyone.
Mihang'o ino igatirihwo tariki 8 mweri ukite guku aria magakorwo mahitukite woyani-ini uyu magakorwo makimenyithio gatagati-ini ga tariki 17 nginyanagia tariki 24 mweri wa kenda mwaka uyu.